Are you tired of jumping between coins, chasing hype, and still feeling like you're missing the real opportunity? What if you could track the pulse of the entire crypto market with just one asset? In the fast-moving world of digital assets, keeping up with every single market shift can feel overwhelming. Prices rise and fall in minutes. Trends come and go in the blink of an eye, and focusing on just one cryptocurrency, that could mean missing out on the bigger picture. But what if you could capture the momentum of the entire crypto market with just a single instrument? Welcome to a smarter, more strategic way to trade. Welcome to the GTi12 Index, exclusively on FXGT.com. The GTi12 is a proprietary index designed to reflect the heartbeat of the broader crypto market. It's your window into the combined performance of 12 of the most influential cryptocurrencies, all bundled into one tradable asset. Think of it like a stock index, such as the S&P 500 or Nasdaq, but for crypto. Instead of tracking a single coin, the GTi12 allows you to trade on the overall market trend. Why is this important? Because in crypto, volatility is constant. Putting all your capital into a single asset can be risky. But with the GTi12 Index, you get built-in diversification, spreading your exposure across 12 leading digital assets. This helps smooth out extreme swings and gives you a more balanced way to participate in the market. And it's not just about diversification. The GTi12 is also ideal for technical strategies like trend following. Here's a simple way to get started. Open the GTi12 chart on FXGT.com. From the indicator list, add a 50-day moving average. Now watch how the index behaves in relation to that line. When the price stays consistently above the 50-day moving average, it signals an uptrend. That could be a strategic entry point. When it drops below, it may suggest a shift in market sentiment. With just this one indicator, you can identify momentum, confirm direction, and time your trades more confidently. No more chasing the hype of individual coins. No more second-guessing your next move. With the GTi12 Index, you get a panoramic view of the crypto market, clearly, simply, and all in one place. So, are you ready to trade smarter? Discover the GTi12 Index exclusively at FXGT.com.
FXGT.com. Trade your way, experience the difference.